palawak na ng Central Luzon Media Association o CLMA Pampanga Chapter ng Journalism Training kay Sindalan Elementary School. ID report.
Pasibayo ng pesinaya ng Central Luzon Media Association o CLMA Pampanga Chapter in Campus Journalism Workshop Caravan king Sindalan Elementary School inyang September 16 bilang pamagsadya daring magaral para king Division Schools Press Conference. Toklula king migit 80 estudyante iba't grade 4 hanggang grade 6 igmekisan metong king kaduang dake ng workshop asasaklo king news, editorial column, headline writing, copy reading, editorial cartooning at feature writing. Keti, dinikdik ng school head Daisy Arsiaga ing training mo para king kompetisyon. Nunebang ituro ka rin kaya nakaning gustong pang magsalita king katutuan para king komunidad. Penimunande din na CLMA Chairman Emeritus Cesar Bong Lacson ng Punto Central Luzon, Nelson Gonzales ng Pampanga News Week at iOrbit News at Executive Vice President Albert Lacanlale ng RW 95.1 FM at Sunstar Pampanga. Minuna ng tiro inyang August 12 ing photojournalism at collaborative desktop publishing. Ing tutuking dake naman makatutok broadcast journalism, apanimunan dareng aliwapang media practitioners, iba't kareng niya yaliwang media outfit. Maniba 2022, regular na ng pasinayan ng CLMA Pampanga ing makanining caravan. Bang sanayan lareng kaya nakang talapang malita, aking patas, usto at makabaldugang pamagbalita.